Great Biafrans, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depend on your time zone. Anywhere you are, whether in your working place, in your office, in your home, anywhere you are, those in Biafra land, those in diaspora, those in different parts of the world, I bring you greetings to you all. I say, may Chukwu Kabiyama bless you all. We thank Chukwu Kabiyama for making us to be today, because it's not easy. Even as it is, it's not still easy for each and every one of us, but we'll keep on pushing through. I want to bless Chukwu Kabiyama for making it possible, because without him, we are nothing. Without him being in our midst, without him being for us, we are nothing. Without him, the damnable Zoological Republic would have wiped us away with their rigorous and nonsense plans they have, because all they have for us is the plan to wipe our generation, to wipe our lineage, to wipe everything that belongs, everything that concerns the Biafran lineage. That is the plan and their motive. And with the help of Chukwu Kabiyama, that will never be our portion. Since if they did not stop us in the year 1967 to 1970, they can't stop us even up till now, and they can never stop us, because you know, we are born to rule, and we must rule our generation, no matter how difficult it might be. My brothers and sisters, good afternoon to you all once again. I want to thank each and every one of you who stood up over the issue of Ruga, and I want to still urge you all at the same time not to give up on this Ruga, because Ruga that they are about to bring forth again, another different plan they are bringing forth again. Nobody knows it, but Chukwu Kabiyama must surely prevail over the issue of Ruga, over them planning to take away our ancestral land, over them planning to take away our lineage, over them planning to wipe away us in one form or the other. We must stand up against all those rubbish that they are planning, because the zoo government, as long as I'm concerned, they don't have any good motive about us. They don't even have any good thing. They don't even have good plan for us. They don't even have any future for us. All they want is our downfall. Then tell me, whosoever that need your downfall, tell me what will be your plan towards the person. And as the noya ramaron and to teach us on to teach them nation the anike. Namaga son shidi anike. So my dear brothers and sisters, my fellow Biafrans, I am urging you all to wake up from your sleep. If you are sleeping before with your two eyes closed, my brother, sleep with your one eye open, because as no new robara buruburu ne chendu and chen benine. Onyu robara buruburu ne chendi and che mbenine. So my topic today goes is this: the suspension of Ruga is more alarming. It is more alarming because I had this but it is very shameful to our governors and to whosoever that cares and whosoever that have been in the middle to put one propaganda or the other, more especially our celebrity. Because I was making a video regarding this issue day before yesterday, 3 days ago or 2 days ago. They caught the video even yesterday. I tried to come back on live video yesterday. They did not allow me because of Facebook. They normally do us. They don't allow us to come up to speak, but they always allow those who are fighting against our life. But they will not allow us to complain or to lament or even protest against it. It is very touching. Our Nigeria celebrity. Let me not say our. It's not my celebrity. God forbid. I'm a Biafran. God forbid. Let me not use that statement. Nigeria celebrity. This message is going to you, Po, and the government itself, because I believe that government and celebrity are partners in crime. They are working together. If you watch very well now, the moment they pause Ruga, them they pause their own. Another quarter sign. A lot of people don't understand the strategy in the The moment they pause Ruga, automatically they pause Koza or whatever they might call it. This is an open eye to you people, for you people to understand that the so-called celebrity are not there to do their needful, to do the work they are supposed to do, to protect and to even protest against any form of nonsense the government is bringing forth. They can never do it. That is the reason why, if you are wise enough, boycott them, because they don't want it. Because they don't deserve your glory, because they are not even there for you. They are there for their personal interests. They are there for their own selfish interests. They are there for their own children, that they are there to gather whatsoever they want for their children to come. That is what they are there for. It is very obvious that the zoo government want us to finish up. It is very obvious that they want to put sheep with lion. I'm not saying we are coward. We are not coward, but we are trading with caution. It is very touching that the zoo government, all they need from us is how to destroy us. And inclusive with the celebrity, they collaborated with the zoo government. That is the reason I want to send this message to them all. I remember very, very well what happened how many years ago. Issue of Lai Shaibu. Because why I'm saying this thing now is for me to remind you over what happened regarding Lai Shaibu, she's from the northern part. I am not against anybody who is protesting for anybody that was held captive or whosoever. When Boko Haram hold Lai Shaibu, I remember very, 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 very well. I'm going to call out names because as I'm going to call out names. Onyeka Onwelu, as old as she is, Onyeka Onwelu use her platform. She used her platform very, 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 very well to agitate for that one person. Onyeka Onwelu. I don't have problem with you, but I have problem with all of you, all of them. The same thing goes with one useless and nonsense girl. Because that one, I will see hit the nail. I'll see hit the hammer on top of the nail. Onyeka Onwelu use her platform to protest against the host for them holding Lai Shaibu. Onyeka Onwelu lamented for one person. But Onyeka Onwelu, as mother, as old as she is, for one day she have never one day speak up against the constant killing of your own people. She have never used her platform to call out the government or the useless and hopeless celebrity. They have never from one day used their platform because all of them have different platforms that they are using. They have never from one day used their platform to call out the government. Because celebrity that I know, celebrity in Western world, celebrity in different parts of the world are the representative of the poor masses. Are the representative of the poor masses, are the representative of the less privileged, are the representative when the government is oppressing those who elected them in. But celebrity in Damalepo Zoological Republic are the key function of the government being oppressing the poor masses. Are you getting the point? Celebrity in Damalepo Zoological Republic are the key to the link for the government to be oppressing the poor masses. What a pity, you as a celebrity, as big as you are, since you claim you are big, that is the reason why they are not going forward. That is the reason why no celebrity in Nollywood, in movie industry, in Damalepo Zoological Republic, Nollywood, have ever break out and join Hollywood. You know why? They are evil. You know why they are diabolic. You know why they are hypocrites. You know why they are demonic. You know why they are possessed. You know why they are not there for you. You know why they are not even doing it with their cool mind and clear conscience. That is the reason why they felt reluctant. That is the reason why if anything happened, they will be the one that will comfort. They will bring the one that will bring one pin to pin whatever that is happening. Imagine the nonsense that they are talking about Ruga. Ruga, I know fine, they have suspended it, but do not feel reluctant as if they suspend Ruga. They are bringing out another issue up. They are planning. Because this same issue is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu saw how many years ago. He lamented, he cried, he said, time shall come when they will come and carry your land. You will have nothing to do about it. This same government came up with Ruga issue, Ruga this, Ruga that. Celebrity, nonsense, as old and as big as they are, they could not stand up against this injustice. All they did, they collaborated and brought forth Kuza. All in the name of to put confusion. Is that not selfishness? No. Did you see any sense of reason in that attitude that they perform? None of them even use their platform to protest against this Ruga that the government is planning to wipe away the poor masses, not knowing that without all those poor masses, all those their useless movie are not going to say. I know that fine, with or without the poor masses, they are moving like a moving train. They are moving like a moving train. They are pushing like pushing tribe because the women by themselves are selling themselves to the Alhaji. The men indirectly, they are turning to homosexual. They are just partners in crime. What a pity to you as a celebrity. What a disgrace to you as a celebrity. What a useless attitude that you people perform. You people have the cause and have the effort and have the nerve and have the temerity to come out to protest over a useless rape. Over a useless rape. That one person came out and came out forth and just came out and said, I was raped at the age of 16. You did not enjoy the rape. They raped you for the first time. The second time, who does that? They raped you twice in different occasions. And you want to tell me you didn't enjoy it? If it was a rape indeed, I'm not trying to judge anybody because I know what I'm saying. If it was a rape as you claimed, why didn't you lament at the first time? Okay, after the rape, if not for you people's evil and atrocity that you people have bound and sealed yourself that you people continue to do evil and atrocity in that damnable zoological republic, that is the reason why all of you, God will punish all of you one by one. And time shall come when all these things that they are lamenting, all these people masses are crying out for, will come forth and it will backfire you all. You did not lament when they raped you for the first time. You did not lament when they raped you for the second time. Are you trying to tell me you did not enjoy it? You did not enjoy it. Then for many years, after many years, you will now decide to go and be attending the man church. Inagoka. Igagide buruze kwaya, chorister. Inogide oburuze na na ewe dizigi na digi. Emukwa nwa emenwa gi dedication na that same church. Then kitazi. That is this time around kiputazi decide zie ipuzi na ere purgi. Ipuzi na ere purgi. That's the reason why you all brought for that issue of rape is to put commotion. Then I saw different people came out. And they were clapping for you and singing Hosanna in the highest for you because of the rape. You say no to rape, say no to rape. But you people could not complain over the oppression that the masters are oppressing the poor people. You people could not lament over lack of electricity in damnable zoological republic. You people could not complain over whatsoever that is going wrong in that country. You people are shame to celebrities. You people are disgrace to humanity. You people are disgrace to everything that belongs to, that concerns human. You people are more than coward. You people are celebrity in that Nigeria are more than useless and hopeless. I put it to you all that you people are one of the major architects of the problem in that country. Because in respect that you people failed in your duty, you people failed in your work, you people collaborated with the government, you people signed with the government that anything they are doing, that you people are to be promoting them as long as they will give you chingbai money. You people are even ready to sell your dignity to them, of which you people are doing it every day by day. If any celebrity should come out and tell me that he or she have not slept with any top officials, that is the reason why they sealed their mouth and fail not to speak up when it is time. And you as a poor man, ina akrungongo ne soha. This life, I believe in justice. I believe in justice. I hate injustice. I hate people who constantly pretend as if all is well while all is not well. Suffering and smiling. Suffering and smiling. That is exactly what is her name? Kate Henshe. She did how many years ago? As that onye nshi na chefu nshi onyo mana onye kporu di nshi onda omenchefu ka di nshi di we shie n'ime. Kate Henshe, as big as she is, they claim they are top celebrities. Kate Henshe, what she did during the time that's okay, what is that girl name? That same girl that was protesting during the constant killing in Zamfara came for an interview to interview our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When she came, she was asking, the girl asked Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the state that makes up Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are now called Calabar. Calabar. What that woman responded was, But Kentian made one comment or whatever. How did she even make the comment that Calabar, that they should not include them in wherever, that they are not included in wherever. What Manna the kind of answer that girl was, she's only but one person, because the way that lady that was doing the interview painted the matter was that he was referring that the celebrity is having a say in this issue. Where is my story going to? It's going that all those celebrities, they are not even interested on it, yet they are there to discourage people who are doing it, yet they are there to put katakata in between when the people are protesting for their rights. All this celebrity, all this Nigeria celebrity, it is high time for you all to stop this rubbish that you people are doing. It will not do you people any good. Rather, it will backfire you. The same thing that goes with all the governors, the Eastern governors. You people are so ashamed of yourself. You people are so useless. You people are godless. You people are not even worth to be a human. You people are that as a 10 kobo. Because it's a thing of disgrace. It's a thing of disgrace that you people don't know your right. But you people have the mindset, more especially okay, Zipazo, that went and gave one Igwe 170,000. 170,000. The video is on the media everywhere. Even on the YouTube. Everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, and all the rest of them. Bloggers even, if I say bloggers even carry on. But you people could not speak up over what is going on. Imagine the nonsense. President is from the north. Senate president is from the north. Speaker is from the north. CGN is from the north. President of Court of Appeal is from the north. High Chief Justice is from the north. IGP is from the north. DSS is from the north. You people cannot protest for against this thing. Minister of Defense from the north. Minister of Finance from the north. Then Minister of Petroleum descended from the north. Who are we to count? Chief of Air Staff is from the north. CG Custom is from the north. CG, what is it called? Who will I learn? Who will I live? CG Immigration is from the north also. CG Prisoner is from the north. And then an NPC manager is from the north. Chairman CBN from the north. All the things, if I begin to list them out, you people will cry out. What a shame to all our governors. Yet you people cannot protest. They say that they don't have money to do second Niger bridge, but they have 12 million. I mean 12 billion, how will I even call it? To establish in Ruga settlement. Ogoni, whatever, go to wherever will I even call it, is there. They don't have money. You people cannot speak up against this injustice. You people are there in the offices, holding one offices around one or the other. What is good for us is Ruga settlement. Is that what is good for us? No, you people should explain it to me. Is that what is good for us? I am saying this today because I am touched and I am bittered. Seaport is not good for us. Airport is not good for us. Embassy is not good for us. But what is good for us is what that will kill us. How many times will you say your conscience? Since all those seaport, airport, and what is it called? Embassy is good for Lagos. So the Ruga and so forth and so forth is good for Lagos. So to become Northerners, to become Muslim, and so on and so forth is what is good for us. I am saying this thing today so that the poor masses will be aware and for them to be awoken, because ofonye share orani or riche ya monora share ofonye ni ofonye ama riche woni. I might be saying trash today, but you people should have it in mind that time shall come when you people will look for who will speak up. You people will not see anybody. Time shall come when you people will look for whom to speak for you all. You people will not see any. Because the revolution that they are talking about, the revolution they are lamenting, the revolution, history must surely repeat itself. But the prayer one is praying that let the history not repeat itself in a wrong form. They have been crying. People have been crying for people to realize what you are doing. The day Anna Ikumakia Gesu. Oh ya do negu. Oh ya do negu. Maka no bido aye bido go the bawagodoku from government house. All those na government house no fit no when na bia. Una ga that na where agechi buy a garden. Because obra ga chonyo obla na ya that day. Obra ga chonyo obla na ya that day. Stop selling your shame. Una thank you dear very much. Obi here about Obi. That our people fail to realize what they are doing. A day shall come when you will look for who will speak for you. Maybe as I'm lamenting, as I'm shouting on this media today, I might be saying trash of which I know that no one don't have the humanity. Because you will not see people. You will not see people. You will not see people gathering there where you hear the truth. But where they do umpona rana, ibana rana, ibana rala, you will see people. They will gather in billions. They will gather in quantum. They will gather in different angles. You will see them gathering themselves. Omakwa waru, maronwe. We don't need Ruga in our community because Ruga is not good for us. So the way all this seaport, embassy, airport, so on and so forth is not good for us because the way you people claimed it. That's how as useless our governors as they are, all of them put together as they are, useless and shameless as they are. They could not speak up to say, why is it that you people say that seaport is not good to stay in our own state, but all they can foolishly and open arms to accept is Ruga. That's what they can open their useless arm. Useless arms like this. If you did not know that they have sold you penny, because with the display that they display, one useless elders are gathered in Enugu display. The one that is displayed at King's Palace. That's to that's the sign to tell you that now they have already accepted Ruga. But it will be a thing of grace that you as an individual allow the government, which is one person, to oppress you as general. This message is directly. And useless celebrities should stay from all this rubbish they are sitting with the governors. They should desist for this collaboration. They are collaborating with governors. It will do them good.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, hey, Biafra. I can hear you, my brother. Good afternoon. I am sending this message to all those useless people that they don't know themselves. That they don't know themselves. About rape, okay, fine. Since they are talking about this issue, because one little girl that was raped, that girl was very small. She's still in primary school. She was raped. This one about rape in her father's house. Rape, probably in the school. But nobody stood up for that girl. I don't know the girl, but I see that girl to be a sister and a younger sister. I see that girl to be a sister. She's still a tender underage, but nobody speaks for her. Not even one person do that. Yet you people are saying that you people are fighting against injustice. Of injustice is that because of the person that they raped was celebrity. That is the reason people don't even. That is
Hello.
All hail Biafra.
Hello.
I can hear.
All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. My sister. Good afternoon from here. I'm calling from Lagos. God bless you. Ada Biafra. Udo drege. Oga drege na mama nne nwanyị. You see, this year celebrated. These people are not problem we have in this our struggle. For me, they are no problem because they are doing to themselves. Hello. Hello.
I can hear. Continue. I can hear.
They are not our problem, but at the same time, they are doing themselves because they have a lot to do for us. They have a lot to do for. When South Africa have their independent, we have a lot of outside artists who made the songs that made South Africa what they are today. So many of them there are using their platform supporting the Yorubas and the Hausas and somehow affecting us somehow. But to me, I see it as they are nobody. I was talking to one of them, like which is they call them Akia Popo. When we are chatting, I was like asking the guy, what should people check about this struggle and the killing going on in our lands? He gave me a positive answer. But he told me that when the time comes, they will come in. That's what this guy answered me. Are you there?
Yeah, I can hear.
Hello?
I can hear you. Speak up. No,
so this answer this guy gave to me. I then asked him, is it until when all that things that you will come out to promote what we are doing, at least there's a kind of positive impact that you're going to play in this struggle? Using what you know to do where, if you're a musician, you're an artist, you're an actor, and there's sort of role you know to play in this struggle that are going to promote what we are doing. Okay? You are beginning a boy to the Northern and Fulanese, and you believe maybe when you sing about the Biafra struggle or when you do something positive that are going to promote our struggle, that you are no more going to get contract you are getting from them. But all these things is just, they're all fooling themselves, because time will come, we're going to open our book for them. If our leader, he said we'll come, we're going to open IPOB book, we're going to open our book for you. Because people will not work for this struggle, and you believe you will come in, you just come in and become, because you have a house, you know, where you have a house in Yabia, have a house in Bayelsa, what Calabar, you cannot enter that house. We want to tell you, you own your house, we're going to control you and give you conditions that make you to get to their house. Okay? Because many people have died in this struggle, and many people are keep on dying. Some people are sacrificing their time, their money, and their energy to promote what we are doing. We are working for them all. Of them, Onyeka Owele, as old as she is, she have at her age, I don't know what again she's looking for than to work for a nation that gonna give that make her to be a terrorist on her life until eternity. She prefer to use the platform to promote the hours, like you said before. But all these things, we are recording it for them. If they don't, let me tell them, we are monitoring them, we are keeping it for them. Okay? We are keeping it, we're recording, for keeping down. The time will come, they must answer us. They must answer us. Look at the mama from Kenya. The mama from Kenya, all the way from Kenya to America, just to promote our struggle, IPOB, to promote the Biafra, and make sure that we get our freedom. But our own are here. The platform they also used to promote the Biafra, use it to be rubbish, promoting our enemies and having business with our enemies. Many of them are okay, they are rich. I don't know what they're going to lose now in this zoo that will make them to become poor again. The thing is highly painful. It's highly painful, but you can never. What I know is that when the time comes, you are still our brother, but we want to teach you a fuck up. You are still our sister, we want to teach you a fuck up. There is no two ways about them. Okay? There is no two ways. Like, to me, I don't listen to Nigerian music. I don't listen to Nigerian movie. I don't watch them, because for the fact you did not support this struggle, I have no business to do with your movie and your music. Okay? The same thing goes to anything that cause. Listen to me, I stopped watching Nigeria. See, let me tell you something. I stopped watching football. I stopped watching anything concerning football because I don't want to go down and watch any football. I see a Nigerian player playing in that club. I'm a cause for while that I'm a cause for there. I stopped watching football. This is the way I hate Nigeria and anything concerns Nigeria. I call you. Anything concerns Nigeria is not my business. And for the fact you are supporting this country, you are singing for this country, they want to do campaign, they called you, you are my greatest enemy. If I still stone you. They are our sisters, they are our enemies. And this people are our enemy. Keep you peaceful, yours as some all the
Still on the issue of sugar issue, do not feel reluctant, my brother sister, because they talk now, they feel like they do any harm. My brother, sorry, the way the thing they call network, as na Zoom they be, the Zoom on just they help matter. But I'd like maybe if you come back in, if you feel like. But the truth remains is this: boycott all these celebrity because they are not there to work for you. And they talk, you go be like say no limit sabi talk. Boycott all those celebrities. They are not there for you. They are only there for their masters. Yes. They are only for the masters. I don't use this waiting call to do illustration for now. I don't do this useless woman to wake up herself. They very shameful for my eye. See, as big as woman is, maybe she didn't say all the money she don't gather for her family. All the money she get, 2 boys where she get, I be 1 boy she get. All the 2 boys where she get. Maybe she thinks that money will get at the time she come home, she go die. All those children go come suffer. The 2 children when she gets suffer. The 2 children she gets suffer go suffer this pain. Because by the time when she don't die, by the time when she don't die, then let me see who help the children. Because for now she be thinking that she's the alpha and the omega to the children. No, you're not the alpha of the omega to the children because you're doing your own. She's only 70 or 75 in my life, if I'm not put wrong. But she, as a woman who understands what motherhood is all about, she cannot even wake up one day to say no to this injustice that they are doing to my people, no to this injustice that you people are doing against our people. She's Igbo speaking tribe, Biafra land. Because it's not only Igbo that make up the Biafran. We have Igbo tribe, we have Ishekiri, we have Ido, we have Ukwan, we have Urobo, we have different tribes that make up Biafra as a whole. But all of them, they sit in their comfort zone. All of them, they sit in their comfort zone. None of them want to even be needful. People will be saying they do the needful. They will carry their propaganda. They will carry their useless propaganda to put for the center, to waiting, to take put motion. Make people be saying even if they try to come up for they divide them, get divided attention. Because if you watch anyway, they talk and be found, say talk and again. As they Ruga, they don't put their own katakata. They don't put their own katakata. So that's the one because they say they want Ruga. Because this Ruga, this what they post, they come to reinforce. They come to reinforce. They come to reinforce. They come to reinforce. Another thing, if you can stand up against Hausa Fulani being a security in your own land, you can still stand up against any form of injustice that they bring forth. Any form of nonsense that they try to carry court. If you can stand up against that rubbish. Because if there be pressure, we say everybody they mad, they shout, they cry, they shout. Everywhere, those where they shout for their own, those where they shout for social media, they shout, those they tweet, every commotion full everywhere. Like come boss, they come in, they come so free. by themselves, arrange their first chuck in again. They don't go plan again. Now, this one will be given at 30 days. So now for to go replan again. The one where they want to replan come out, me on no know as one. So at the advice my brothers and say, make una get prepared. Make una prepared. Ucha aboro uja put this on the screen. Man they can ucha aboro uja. Ucha aboro uja. You understand? I know say fine, I know they the country for now, but I dey feel for the people who be say they did the country. Because the heat now then they feel and pass. The heat now then they feel and pass. When we say we did diaspora, maybe we know they reach our body. If they reach our body, guys, they reach our body, they cost they reach us like the people we say where they the state gone. Because this issue of work, one of the things so when they want to carry come for a village, so you go to say they serious. It's very serious and important that you must stand up against it. You must make yourself available to stand up against that rubbish. Because by the time they come finally, their owner to do what in, they go rape your mama, they go rape your sister, they go rape even your grandmama, they go rape her. Check grandmama will be say the knot, it don't lock. Bam. Fulani can carry the stuff where they put for cow, where they sleep with cow. Come carry and come wear for your grandmama. For your grandmama. Inji will be say it don't lock, can't keep. By the time we feel like we be say they sleep because that one will be so see for video. Why they post them? Why the video that one post them? Be say they want show and say they know they sleep with human. Be say now cow and fowl and all the rest of them and dog and all the rest of them. Now they sleep with. Now they sleep with. Now they make love to. Now be their work. By the time we say pest will be say you don't sleep with fowl finish, you don't sleep with dog, you don't sleep with goat. Tell me the kind of sickness we won't carry, won't accumulate. That is the reason why you need to stand up against this Ruga issue. If what's going to us, make them send our brothers and sisters from all the zone within day. It is time for all of them to come back us. We don't want to Ruga for our own life. Make them carry our brothers, make them come back. Because me say somehow I like her. We will never accept Fulani. Make them send our brothers, make them come back. Because the only way we those one will be say, they go get sense. Any governor will be say, he accept Ruga. He there in support of Boko Haram. Check that governor well. He there among those who be say they sponsor Boko Haram. Now, Mietiala they won. They tell government. They tell government say make them not complain about insecurity. Nieti Allah. Their leaders. They tell governments. See, may they not cry about insecurity. That's to say, now them, they support her. For this last meeting where they call. So say they are not even ready to honor any meeting. The same damnable Zoological Republic, Jubilee, and Sudan, we say they lead, we say they don't get common sense. We be say on sense, no they pride, they compatible. We be say on sense, no be say they package well. It make and pump and clear to and say, you people are not ready to work with him. That I not let you know say that Jubilee of Am Sudan now to come destroy honor. Which one I go talk, which one I go leave? My topic remains the same. Do not allow Ruga in your community. The moment you allow Ruga in your community, you have accepted your own death sentence. Because Fulani are not human beings. They are not human beings. They get bad mind. They get evil motive. They get evil intention. They get different kind of things we say that they carry. They waka waka. They don't get joy. They don't understand this language when they speak so. What thing that they understand now how to kill. They believe in one thing that if they kill how many people did they go to, they meet their Allah. They believe in killing. That is what they believe. Why are they telling this TV? I begin to narrate a story of what I experienced when I did not. I was born and brought up in North. I don't tell this. This is not my first time to talk about this issue. I was born and brought up in North. They bore me for Kaduna State. I grew in Kaduna, Sabon Tesha. Before we move from Sabon Tesha, we can't go Sabon Geri. From Sabon Geri, we can't go Basonde. No, sorry, Basonde and Sabon Geri they near. Then from there we can't go to Kujama. You got one state where one village where they call Kujama. At least even if I be small Peking, that time I get sense. If they won't kill, they get where they plan them. If they won't start to destroy, because this destroy, we say they destroy, we say they don't pursue people from different village carry commode. Before they go conquer, start to they do what they plan. They go get where they plan them. Inner kakus where they plan them. Now therefore no say Fulani they get plan. They go plan a well before they come they accomplish am. That time before they fight about Sharia law, I think they not that time. Sharia law I experience gong. They know they took and seen 2 times. I was very small that time at the age of 7, 8, 9. That was my age. Now the age where I did. I know be small picking, I be say, I know be picking, be say, it dumb. I experience some, I see what thing they talk about. Before they call plan that thing, now one man will be saying, yeah, my papa, they be friends. That one also, now one of the crew member will be say that they plan now. Now one of the crew member will be say that they plan this thing. Now I come to my papa say, oh, go man one. Because now the most my papa was a bus driver. A drive bus. Go and say there is war. War won't happen. Save your children. It's also they carry your children one hour. You can't tell my papa.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra, my brother. My brother just in their illustration. My papa, that man come to me say carry your children one hour come. Before you know it, pack overnight you drop more from that. 2 days after, 3 days after, it's set. Everywhere scatter. To tell us anything will be said, it's Kaduna people or not people did they do, did they plan? Did they plan? So continue, my brother, all here.
Get the topic today now.
The topic that it did the Jaju Ruga, post Ruga. They have post Ruga. Nobody know the plan for 30 days. They are coming back again for other plan. So I mean, you don't tell any advice you want our people regarding this Ruga they post. So now you go give them, and anything we want to tell them, you fit to tell them.
Awesome. What would they talk? What would they talk it now? Because what do they have for Nigeria now? What would they tell the latter? The system allow they talk. Now the rest see what they happen now. You understand? We say Ghana Takata face what they happen. Say this man wants scatter Nigeria. People say na lie. Say na lie. Now the Russian now. You understand? Because we don't just know the what we go to the airport. What we do now? Yeah, my sister. We should not go with the play.
Is it?
I should not go with the play now for the intervention. You understand?
You go to pray. You're not excluded. You go there, but you go to get prepared. If you don't have person want to tell people, I don't know the tribe where from come and say, but to your community people say that they get ready. Because Okochamu didn't number. If you know guys what because you will say I know that against prayer, I know that against prayer. Me a Christian, I know God that against prayer. I want to let every person they brainwash my head. If no God that say one thing people be saying, say your people message they get prepared because somebody post this room so they are coming back. Nobody know the force where they want to come. Now that one, if you don't give it to them, that one I will tell you. So make you use your mouth to tell your people because people will understand your language past me. Continue.
No say I'm not going to talk. I don't hear you.
Okay, know what I talk.
No.
What tribe you be if I may ask you? Which part of the Biafra be Zoo country you be? Because I don't know. You know even do it yourself.
It was okay. I'm Igbo by tribe.
Which part of Igbo?
From Imo State, Owerri.
So you be Owerri person like that.
I want to be Chukwemeka. Chukwemeka ihe na-achọ.
must continue, my brothers and brother. I beg, like say na network now that your this thing. Anybody will be saying it for come. But this matter where they talk general people. It dey affect general people. My message to una, all of una, no let celebrity put una for confusion. Because as they don't post Ruga, thereby they said that they carry come. Do not be deceived with any governor will be say he no know and say, because all our governor from here to Z, more special, Anambra on, Willie, that way doing I like a man. Then the Enugu on, Ugwanye, then the other states on. Waiting be name. Waiting be that in name. Okay, Zikbazu. You see these three people, now then be the major people will be say that they form very, very well. I never add the two or Delta State on. I never include them because if the Sero Charles or Korocha sit there for empower now, I've not included. So the one will be say it there now, when they look at from one eye, we never know where from start. That one my governor, governor. So I never want predict for her now until if I see they doing on, I'll see I'll come out of Facebook content and say, guy, what did they do? You know, us they right. But to all anybody will be saying they listen to this broadcast today because probably I might end this broadcast anytime soon. I don't get time to come and talk too much because the time of talking too much, it don't pass. The time of talking too much will be saying when I suppose they do the needful, when I not even supposed they let this water so many they pass Gary because already the water don't they pass Gary. If not be IPOP today, if not be Martin and the Kano today, if not be waiting we say we they do be say when I see the propaganda will be saying that they talk against where una for day to day. Where una for day to day, na be the question. If not be the way we say with the lament, they shout. It go be like say we can't turn to mad people for social media. If not be the way they shout. I'm not sure say all of them for keep quiet and I go day. They look what thing they happen. You go just do like this. You go just move na iwa. You go just do na iwa because the time will be say they call on this issue. The time will be say they call on this issue. Say all of them are there at that. See something they happen. All of them are feel reluctant. Now be say it happen so where una one wrong go. No. Una no get where to go. But my prayer for now be say may una ancestors may they guide you because this time around no be the era of children's play again. The reinforcement where they want to carry come back so where they want to carry under form of Ruga. Because I don't know the form where they want to carry come, but any form where they want to carry come, my advice for una grand stand. Because like I tell una, if una accept Ruga in your community, number one, not to kidnap your ancestral land. We don't know the implication. Number one, not to kidnap una ancestral land. Number one, not to collect waiting. You know, say it belong. Not to collect her in her hand. But how people will be say land will be say your papa, your grandpapa live for you. Land will be say your papa live for you. They can't carry out for your hand. Waiting you go be your fate, bro. That is waiting Martin can cry. 2015. If I that me the flashback is still there Facebook up to now. If I that but we first come to us, I'll go find a broadcast around 14-15. I'll bring our complaint for now. When I'll come get sense. When I go no say that man, since all the while we be say they cry, they shout for and I say, make una see waiting they come. Waiting they happen today. Waiting they happen today, my brothers and sisters. It's going to be too bad for when I say last, the reason why they cry, if they can't happen for our present, if they happen for our front, if they happen for our back, it go be very, it go be very shameful, my people. Make una not allow this kind to happen because Fulani know what to come there with una from the same house. They just if not even there for their kaba, una go there, una go so respect una self. But if they can't there with una, they don't know una. Because when our governors, they will give them much power. They will give them excess power. Because already they don't even give them power already to take home. They don't already give them power already to take home. All these our governors. All this our governors. All these useless governors where they say that they govern us. Where we say that they rule us. No be leader on a be. Now rule on they rule us. Because all of them are go live where on supposed act. Una no go act. Una go live where una supposed react. Una no go react. Una go live where una go for talk. Una no go talk. Una go just keep quiet. they wait for one person make they talk for una. Without IPOB today, because the same IPOB will be say una they fight against. The same IPOB today will be say una they fight against. The same IPOB will be say una sabotage. The same IPOB will una save tankable. The same IPOB will be say una carry go give una Fulani master. The same IPOB will be say una carry go they tag them different name. Now the same IPOB will be say una go call when una don't still carry una land give Hausa, carry the land of una people give Hausa, carry everything wey belong to una people give Hausa. By the time we say una don't pack all those things give Hausa finish, una won't call they call IPOB mad. They don't wanna call IPOB over anything we be say una cause by una self. Now that the IPOB bone go hook una. Somehow, I go even like I may happen for una korokoro. I will be say by the time we be say the things we be say they talk about, it don't they have, but because of the sake of my people, now I make it be say they say may the ancestors, may my ancestors may they forbid all this kind thing, may they not let this kind evil before us, because it go they shameful say history will be say it happened. This will be say it happened. Back in those days, you come have better. I won't tell all those. I was say, I just get that in mind because I know some of una they claim Igbo, when I know people, when they claim Igbo already. I know say Hausa they don't hear our language because the one I see for Facebook, he opened my eyes way to know say Hausa don't even be turned to Igbo already, don't turn to different tribe already, because the one we see they Enugu, all those one they don't nationalize, they don't speak Enugu. Even me say I know if rap Enugu. Even as an Igbo girl, I don't feel rap Enugu the way down until they rap the Enugu. So I tell my brothers and sisters today, be say, make una disregard anything we be say una government they carry to won't come give una. Say una take compensate una self. Una take hold on side. Una take hold on side. Una not use all those ones come they put for front, because all those ones they are all bad and evil, bad egg. All of them put together 9 day be. So my brothers and sisters, I don't get much word to talk. I don't know anybody will be saying one calling advice now, because advice no because IPOB today, without IPOB there will be nobody who will be saying go fit stand up against all those things, because IPOB all of them don't pack on hope put for IPOB body, when I don't pack on hope put for the kind of body. The same Mazin and the kind will be so now they plan on how to kill finally. But in God it pass on now. In God personal, because I don't know what say this Ruga really mean. Ruga really mean many top things. It really mean top things will be say mouth no fit talk am. It really mean top things. Present I don't even know the one where they happen now. They talk that one and that one they happen. Present that the one where they happen now. By next year now, because next level it got to come. By next year, the latest one be safe. That one are for West Africa. Now for West Africa, they don't accept one currency. But that one another different story. That one, I know see that one a one word order that they carry and they come so small. They don't accept to endorse one currency for the whole West Africa. Now they're going to use that to tell us, say, see the kind plan will be say, and the kind dimension will be say our government they face so they carry the corner like this. Where they propose the meeting na for Abuja, because what is it called? What be name? Jubril of Am Sudan. Now their president for ECOWAS. Now their president. So that one now update will be say is on still need to know. But say by next month I'm not say, because a lot of them go play in ahead that we're not going to hear what they happen. Now get phone, I know they see what they happen. So my brothers and sisters, we have to make it short and we have to cut it from here. I don't get much thing to tell. And I be say more could I not let this one be say they impose Ruga settlement. Make I not feel comfortable when at the time we say una supposed shine your eyes. Una supposed shine una give waiting una eyes. Una supposed do it in shine una eyes. Where you go come be shine. What they call shine bobo. So my people, let's call it a day, because I told you people that I'm not going to stay long, because the time of talk it don't pass. This time no wait for talk again, and the time will be say for people to they see what we say they don't talk pass. For the things we say they don't prophesy. Mazina the kind of the great, our great prophet of my time don't talk pass. Now for people to they see as it they happen, go they happen for our eyes. Now for people to they realize, say the reason we make Mazina the kind they cry for many years. Women can they cry for since 2015, 2016, from 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, for them to see say he get reason why they shout, but nobody gave him an attention. This is a time for people to they see the manifestation so they go understand. But somehow I really didn't enjoy as they come, but make may it never even hit them hard. May it hit all those, may it not hit the innocent people. May it hit all those demonic and evil governor who will get. All of them put together. May it hit them hard. Make it hit them hard, because make them understand the reason why make Mazina they cry. You don't cry, you don't tire. So I really enjoy as it be said they feel the heat small, but make all those kind of things may not happen, because if it happen, people will be say they go feel the pain at first. Before we come backfire, meet our governors, now the poor masses, because the poor masses, me and you know say we get sisters, we get mama, we get brother, we get auntie, we be say then they for village. Even if say we dey for diaspora, we get sisters, we be say we dey that side. If no guy wants it happen, if anything happen to a German today, if problem there for a German today, it go affect Iroboland. If it affect Iroboland, it go affect Ishekiri. If it affect Ishekiri, it go affect Okwale. If it happen to Okwale, it go affect Asaba. If it happen to Asaba, it go affect Anambra. If it happen to Anambra, it go affect Enugu. If anything happen to Enugu, it go affect Imo. If anything happen to Imo, it go affect Cross River, Calabar, River State. It go affect all those parts of the things, all those parts of Biafra State. That's the reason why we are trying to avoid all those things, because definitely revolution must take place, because the revolution what they talk about, so now one person now go trigger the thing. Maybe person will be say they don't come touch enough bearer because person like maybe say I get hot temper, I get people body, I get short temper. I mean to say maybe say I quit a verse. Aboki if I fit get far, Aboki can't destroy my farm. Me and that Aboki will die together. By the time we say I kill one of his car, or maybe I carry anything stubborn, it don't trigger problem with that. The remaining Aboki, they won't come attack me. The remaining people, my village people, they won't come attack the Aboki. By that time, they never trigger the war. Somebody must ignite this fire. Will be say, will they try to calm down? Will they try to make a man they calm? Will they try to use sense? Follow them. Will they try to use diplomatic way? See if we will get our sovereign state back, of which I know say we must get them back. The reason why we say they talk this way, we say we don't even wish make this war may trigger in a wrong way. It's there. Our brothers and sisters, they are there. So my brothers and sisters will be saying they diaspora. If you get anybody will be saying they Biafra land, because a lot of them, like I call my sponsors will be saying they must state. I call them and say, what thing they happen for Haji? Say nothing, no. And as I just say, Haji they at peace, because the information they get, problem there or Haji, say nothing, no. Why I never even talk much about that, because I don't try call who they close to. I never understand what thing they happen. Nobody won't give me the brief or the gist about what thing they happen. They waiting me, they try to talk. No feel reluctant because they say they pause Ruga issue. They are coming back. If you feel wage war, if you stand up against this security where they won't bring for us, we'll still stand up against. If you feel stand up against Ruga, you go feel stand up against anything we'll be said that they carry come. Never you move, never you shake, never you sleep your two eyes closed. If they sleep, they keep one eye closed, one eye open, because the errand of sleeping, it don't pass. The errand of too much talk. If you now watch our leader Mazina, they can't say, you know, even the two they talk again, because you know say time will be say what he don't talk, it don't reach. What he don't talk pass, it they come. What he say don't talk, don't lament, don't cry, it they come. Now for the time for them to see him, with their true eye, for them to believe, say, he's indeed a man sent by God, a man ordained by God. Because if God did not call you, like all those people say that they claim, say God called them. If God did not call you, you join inside this struggle, you are not strong enough, you end up halfway. If God did not really choose Mazna, the kind of as our Moses, the Moses of my time and your time, if God did not choose him, I don't think say if I don't see there up till now, upon all the katakata and all the rest of them, even as they bribe and rich, it's still holding in stand up till now. It's still holding in stand up till now. The ones who be say they call themselves, will not be God call them in this struggle. How far, how market, all those and they end in a halfway. The same thing goes to the people who be say they join this agitation, who be say they end on a halfway. God no call them. That is the reason why they end in a halfway. But those who be say they are really choose to propagate about this gospel, to preach about this gospel, to preach and propagate about this gospel, to preach against this about this redemption. God, those who be say God come, they still stand up till now. They know they move. They all be like Martin Zion that can never be removed. So I tell my people today, those were there for Biafran land, those were there any part of the Biafran, make una no sleep. Feel like say una won't sleep. The people will say they won't fight una, they are not sleeping. Your enemy can never be asleep until the enemy accomplish his mission on this planet Earth. So my brothers and sisters, I want to say a very big thank you to you all. One love to my brothers and sisters. One love to those who are still in this struggle, who never ever from one day, even 1/2 minute, even back out for the struggle, because it not really that easy. I love you all. I still remain your sister, Lizzie Chimamanda. One love to you all.